babasahin ko lang po para sa inyo. So I would like to thank my sister-in-law and their kids, especially Jessica's mom and dad and her brother. So deep in my heart, I know I have done my very best to be your father, man. Being your father is a joy and privilege, and I want you to know that I love you so much. I know some of you don't like your mom saying I love you to you, and you're like always saying that. But I know that you really love us, right?
Yeah.
When you become best friend with Jessica, I have this comforting assurance that you have met the love of your life, and I'm so excited that you've found such a dignified woman. I still remember when your friends went to Canadian Tire just to see that sinabi niya sa akin, wala sa dito si Ronald eh. Sinabi niya sa akin na pakilala niya si Jessica. Naalala ko po rin Jessica na pakilala ka niya. Yeah. Now here we are. I can't imagine that my son getting married to a kind of beautiful woman. Matt, I stand here in front of you today, the proudest dad that ever lived, because you are the fulfillment of our cherished dreams, and so your sisters and brother too. And to you, Jessica, we are thankful that you're agreed to marry Matt, and I'd like to welcome you into